Blessings. It is me, Hathor. It is our pleasure to be here today and share this space with you once again.
I wonder if you could speak towards how sound may be used to clear energetic blockages.
Yes, we will say that sound can be as powerful in, you could call it clearing, as any of your medical instruments. You know, this statement is quite controversial. Sound, as you know, is frequency, just like a laser is frequency. And just like a laser can be used in medical procedures in your current medicine, sound can be used as a physical device to implement changes on physical devices, including biological devices, especially biological devices, such as your physical body. So with directed sound, it can be used just as directed laser can be used. And we're bringing up lasers because this is something that is already used by your civilization. So you can understand the concept of a laser, for example, going into the body and literally removing a tumor or whatever needs to be removed. This is similar with sound. There are some in your society that already know how to do it, but it is not open knowledge to all, but different specific frequencies, specific sounds that are uttered in specific ways. If people know how to emit them and use them in that way, and we're talking about sounds of the voice, as the voice carries a special frequency that is compatible with manipulation of your physical body. So by using the voice in specific ways, one may implement clearing or cleansing or healing to any extent. It depends on a lot of things, but it is possible. And it is already done by certain individuals in your world that have that knowledge and are practicing it. However, it is not yet mainstream, as it is, we would call it powerful technology. And all powerful technology in your world is not open in the public's eye. So this is similar.
When working with sound, the intention partnered with the sound is very important to that practice. Would I be correct with that?
Absolutely. Without the intention, the sound would literally have no effect. The same way that if you point a laser randomly, it will not perform any medical or any function. So yes, now we will say about, you said the higher and the lower frequencies. The lower frequencies that you're referring to are the frequencies of the earth. They are completely different in nature, but those are the frequencies that are meant to be used with the voice and sound. So there are other frequencies that you can do different things with, including the laser, but those will not be receptive to sound the way those lower frequencies are. So when we're talking about working with sound, it's specifically with those lower frequencies. And yes, intention is fundamental. We will say that intention precedes the sound.
Yes, because the sound is the carrier.
Exactly. But they must work together.